In this video I'll show you how to change your X or Twitter username in 2024. Before that, if you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing my YouTube channel. Thank you. So, let's get started. First, open X or Twitter application on your mobile devices and make sure you sign into your Twitter account. Next step, tap on your profile picture icon in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Support. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. From here, select your account on the top of the page, and then, tap on Account Information. You'll see the information related to your X account. What you need to do is to simply click or tap on this username button, which should be at the top of the page. And then they'll ask you if you want to change your username, so just tap on Continue to confirm your decision. Now, you are free to type in your new desired username. Twitter will automatically check if it's available. You'll get this little green indicator that tells us that this new username is available. That's mean that you can use that username for your account. Once you confirm the username, tap on Done button. Your Twitter username is now changed. You can check on your Twitter home profile. And that's how you can change your Twitter or X username on iOS and Android devices. I hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.